Hello students and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to use Microsoft Office 365. This will give you access to your university email and also Microsoft Office tools. Okay, to start with, you'll need to go to the main page of the University of Bahrain, which is uob.edu.bh, or you can go directly to the Office 365 webpage. But from the University of Bahrain's main website, you can click on Students, طلاب, and then you scroll down to Email or البريد الإلكتروني. Once you click this, you'll be redirected to Office 365. Here, you will need to enter your email address. This is going to be your ID number and then at stu.uob.edu.bh. So email ID number at stu.uob.edu.bh, and your password, if you're a new student, is going to be your CPR. So whatever your ID number is, it could be 2020-0111, whatever it is, and then add at stu.uob.edu.bh, and your password, if you're a new student, is going to be your CPR. And then sign in. Once you're in, you can of course save it if it's your personal computer, or if it's not, then you don't need to save it just for security. Here you'll be presented with a platform for the Office 365, as you can see here, Office 365. As a University of Bahrain student, you can install an Office free, complete package of Office 365 for students. So you just download this and install it on your computer. This is very good and very useful. It will include Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and of course Cloud and Team and everything you will need as a student. You also have an online version of an Office 365. So you can open this directly here, your Office. It will be directly on your website, which is web-based, or you can download this as a software and use the software. It's totally up to you. All the documents, and you can save them for later on. You can work on your project as a team to collaborate through this. Or, as I said, you can download the software and use it. But for today, I'm going to focus on your Outlook or your email address. So if you click on the Outlook icon, which is blue with the letter O, you will be presented with your email. As a University of Bahrain student, this is very, very important and you will need it. In the foundation program, it's essential because it's the main communication between you and the teacher. So please activate it as soon as possible and start using it. Even for purchasing your books online, for official communication between the English Language Center and a student, is always going to be your official email. So please get it set up as soon as possible. When you log in, all the emails will be presented here, and you can read them simply and answer by clicking on reply. If it's, for example, your teacher sends you an email, you can just open this email. This is from your teacher, and you click on reply, or which I'm going to show you today, how to compose or write a fresh email, a new email, and how to attach a file, and how to find your teacher's email address. So if you go to new message here, new message on the side, you click on it, you'll be presented with a blank page. This is what you need. I'm going to just leave this here, so this will be better for you. So the to area here you will find a list of the teachers available that you've sent previously, or if it's new, if you just write the first few letters. For example, let's say I'm a student and you want to send me an email, which, okay, there you are. This is my email address as a teacher, which is available, which I've given it to my students. So if you just write the first few letters, I will come up and you select it, and there you go. My email will be there. You could add more people. Let's say you want to add more students, you can simply write their email address and it will be there. Now, In the subject area, do not write your email in the subject area. Here is just a title. Now in the subject area, I need to write exactly what the email is about. So, for example, it will be presentation 1. Okay, so now the teacher knows it's presentation 1 and also knows that it's from you, because it will automatically show your name and your ID number. So it's presentation 1. You could add your section number and the course. That will help a lot. For example, you could say Ingle R006 and I can say section 22. Now the teacher knows what course, what's the email about, what section, and he knows your name because it's mentioned automatically. And then here I will say dear Mr. Bubakar, please find attached my presentation 1, for example. Thank you. And here I could add my name. Okay, let's say my name as a student, or the student sending is called Ahmed Ali, and that's it. Now I have a full email address, a full subject, a correct correspondence, and now that I've written the email and I put the presentation, I need to attach the file. This is very important. I need to attach the file. So I go here and I click on attach. In attach, then I'm going to go to browse, okay, and I'm going to select the document I want to attach. Okay, I'm just going to select any document. Now this is just an example. I'm going to select this document. Okay, I'm going to wait for the blue line to finish. When it's gone, that means it's attached. So that's again, attach, browse this computer, select the file, and I attach it. Wait for the blue line to finish. Now I have a complete email with a correct email address, correct subject, 2 attached files or 1 attached files, or an attached file, it doesn't matter, plus the email itself, and I click on send and it's gone. That's it. I could check it later by going to the sent items here. If I go to the sent items, I'll find my emails here saved for future. And even the attachment, if I want to use it later, it can be used here. I hope this has made it clear, and as I said, this is very important to use it, as it is the main communication between the students and their teachers. Thank you very much.